Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless power tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT 20V Max 2. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a versatile cordless power tool set that includes 2 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger. The compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to fit into tight areas, while the ergonomic comfort grip provides ideal balance and control. With its bright LED and 20-second trigger release delay, you'll have better visibility in dark or confined spaces. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control on delicate work surfaces. The quick-release hex chuck makes it easy to change bits. Overall, this power tool combo kit offers power, convenience, and durability for all your projects. Moving on at number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a versatile cordless power tool set that includes 4 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, this set is perfect for light-duty projects around the house. The drill driver features 11-position clutch and an LED work light. The circular saw has a high torque motor and a 5-1/2 blade. The reciprocating saw offers a 3000 SPM motor and tool-free blade changes. Additionally, an LED work light provides 70 lumens of brightness for up to 11 hours. The set comes with batteries that double the runtime, ensuring less downtime. With its compact size and portability, this kit is a good value for homeowners. At number 3, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a comprehensive set of cordless power tools that is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With 10 different tools included in the kit, you'll have everything you need to tackle a wide range of fastening, drilling, cutting, and grinding applications. The kit comes with 2 batteries and a charger, ensuring that you'll always have a backup power source available. The tools in this kit are known for their high speed and power, making them efficient and effective. With features like one-handed loading, keyless blade clamp, and a quick change accessory system, these tools are designed to make your work easier. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a versatile and reliable set that will meet all your storage needs. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a comprehensive set of 9 cordless power tools that come with 2 batteries and a charger. Featuring a yellow and black color scheme, this lithium-ion 9-tool combo kit is perfect for all your power tool needs. The kit includes a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool, LED work light, grinder, Bluetooth speaker, and right-angle drill. The kit also comes with 2 DCB 203 20V Max XR batteries for long-lasting power. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5, this DEWALT combo kit is highly praised for its value and quality. And finally at number 1, we have the DOFIMATE Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount. The DOFIMATE Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount is a practical and efficient solution for organizing power tools in your garage or workshop. Made of heavy-duty steel, this wall-mounted storage rack is designed to hold your commonly used project tools and keep them within easy reach. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 100 pounds, it can securely hold drills, chargers, and other tools. The compact design allows for easy installation on pegboards or wood and cement walls. The durable craftsmanship, including a high-temperature matte spray paint and polished finish, ensures rust resistance and longevity. Overall, this power tool organizer is a great addition to any workspace and makes for a useful gift for DIY enthusiasts.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.